Hi everyone, welcome back in next part of the Node.js series. I hope you have watched my previous video on introduction of Node.js and understood the basic concept of it. If not, then click on I button to watch it before starting our today's session. In this video, we are about to discuss the steps to set up Node.js on our machine and how we can install modules with the help of npm commands. So let's get started. Simply go to Chrome and type in search bar download Node.js for specific operating system. As I'm working on Mac operating system, so I'm searching for my machine. You can search for your own. Click on any of it. See, there are list of Node.js version available with their individual commands like nvm node version manager, fnm node fast node manager, and we're gonna follow these steps in order to install Node.js on our machine. So let's copy the first command and open the terminal and paste it. This is telling us like you have already been installed nvm on your machine. So what we will do here, we will use further nvm commands for Node.js installations like ls nvm ls remote, and this will give a list of Node.js available versions to install. We can choose any of it with the commands nvm install. Any specific version you can install, like I'm choosing 22. You can choose for your own requirements and simply hit the enter. So let's wait for a moment and it's checking some requirements. Yeah, I think one node versions has been installed on a machine. Like we can confirm it with typing nvm command nvm ls. See, we have got the node versions 22.9.0, and this shows like we have successfully installed Node.js on our machine. Now let's understand the next part of this video, which is installing modules using npm commands and their uses. So we're gonna create a server file where it will require HTTP module. First of all, we will create a server file with a piece of code. Let's say our file name is server.js. And at the top of the file, we will import HTTP module. And then we will require as host name and port number where our server will be running on. Let's say host localhost. We are on local machine, so the host name will be localhost. Port, let's say const port, let's set it 3000, and then we will create the server file like this way: const server http.create server request response. Then we will set the status code, let's say 200, and response dot end, let's say Posraj Tech Hub. Okay, now we will call the server dot listen, host and port. Console.log like we will pass a message like server is running for Bojraj Tech Hub. This code will give an error like HTTP module is not found because we have to install it separately with the npm command. As on my machine, I have already installed this package, so we can simply run this file with the command like node.js node server.js. See, server is running for Postgres Tech Hub. I hope you understood the steps of Node.js installation and the concept of modules. We will discuss the asynchronous programming, promises, callbacks, and async and await in the next part of this series. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video really helpful and value addition, then write in comment section with yes and share it with your friends. Guys, if you want more such videos, then make it sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get quick updates about the next part of the series. Any doubt related to this video, just write in the comment section and I will be happy to answer them. See you in the next video. Bye bye.